This week I'm listing a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath in South Bend on Inglewood for $175,000. It's pretty rare to find a 2 full bath, 3-bedroom house in this area. I'm meeting the photographer here in about 15 minutes. I just got done putting a little decorations around. Let me know in the comments if I did a good job with these little decorations, because I don't normally do that. Well, my daughter does it. We normally do it on listings, but I'm not the one normally, or at least I have help to do it. Anyway, so let's go take a look. It's a cute little neighborhood right here. So it's at the end of Inglewood, stop signs down there. Nice little area. All right, let's go inside. This is gonna be $175,000. It's empty, so it makes it easy to do a video. Come in here, you got the stairs going up to the 2-bedroom and the bathroom upstairs. You got your living room over here. So the curtains were already here. I just went and put, this shelf was already here, so I put a couple decorations right there. I'm not normally the one that does the little decorations. My daughter comes with me, but she had some showing, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments if I placed the stuff in the right area. So you got a little dining room over here. There was nowhere to put any like pictures or really anything, so I put a little plant right there. Trying to decide if I want to keep it there, so let me know in the comments. Kitchen, nice new flooring. So I put the decorations here, dishwasher right there, right there, right there, and some over there. I didn't think I did it too bad, but they redid the backsplash here, put new hardware on. They put this cabinet here with a dishwasher because this did not have a dishwasher. I'll show you the backyard real quick, just a normal neighborhood backyard. Now I think I did a great job decorating the bathrooms because there's more surface space. Let's take a look. The main floor bathroom. Look at this. See, look at those decorations. I did a good job, I think. I didn't have an extra shower bar with me, so I couldn't put one of my shower curtains up. But this bathroom's been totally remodeled, backsplash, modern mirrors, lights, new vanity, new flooring. We'll go upstairs. While I do, I'm gonna tell you, it's super rare to find 2 full baths in this neighborhood. Right at the top of the stairwell, you've got bedroom here, full bath here, pretty large bedroom right here. And look at this. Nice little decorations. I didn't have a lot of room up here, but I put those tiles, decorations. I put the shower curtain, little picture right there, little hand towel right there. That don't look bad. For not being a decorator, I don't think I did too bad. I got these little bins here. I'll show you what I take for my listings. So here I take different bins. I've got 4 or 5, I probably have about 3 more in storage in my office that I take around from house to house to put little things around. Let's go check out the basement. So it's partly finished. The right side here, huge living space. This adds a lot of extra space. This is pretty rare to find in the neighborhood too, is the partially finished basement. You've got a little bonus room over here. This is what he was using at his office, so it's a pretty cool little area. Leaving real nice washers and dryers. It's hard to find a 2 full bath, 3-bedroom at $175,000 in South Bend. This one's pretty nice. I think it's gonna go quick, so listing it this week. So by the time you see this video, it'll probably be listed. So shoot me a message if you're looking to buy a house or want to list your house or just have a friend or family member or somebody that has questions. I'm here to help. Dressed pretty casual today. All right, I'll see you on the next video.